In the world of technology, one profession is making waves and setting new standards in innovation. That profession is that of AI engineers and developers. The explosion of artificial intelligence technologies across various sectors has set the stage for these experts to play a pivotal role in shaping the future. AI engineers and developers are the architects of the digital age. They design and build AI models, creating the blueprints for intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and evolve. They are the ones who implement machine learning, the process that allows computers to improve their performance over time. They develop AI applications, crafting software that can perform tasks traditionally requiring human intelligence. From speech recognition and image processing to natural language generation and autonomous robotics, it is the AI engineers and developers who breathe life into these intelligent systems. What does it take to become an AI engineer or developer? A blend of technical skills and soft skills is required. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python and TensorFlow is a given. A deep understanding of machine learning concepts is another must, but equally important are soft skills such as creative problem solving and continuous learning. These professionals are always on the lookout for new ways to use AI, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The career prospects for AI engineers and developers are bright. They are in high demand across diverse industries, from tech and healthcare to automotive and beyond. This high demand, coupled with the complexity and importance of the work they do, drives competitive salaries. As per the latest data, the median annual salary for these professionals in the United States typically falls in the range of $100,000 to $150,000. In conclusion, AI engineers and developers are the driving force behind the technological advancements we are witnessing today. Their work is shaping our future, making them one of the most sought-after professionals in the job market. Stay tuned for the next job in the Top Trending Job of 2024 series. Until then, remember, the future is shaped by those who dare to innovate.